Hello wanderers! Nice to see you again. It's been a really long time since my last video. I hope you are all well. To all of you who are new to this channel, my name is Eszter. I am a historical reenactor and artist. I can say that these two things go together for me because I create my works in medieval painting style, and there would be no better place for me to do this craft than Transylvania, a place far from the world, the land of my ancestors, full of history. I started filming this video 3 months ago, at the beginning of April. This weather is so full. And now, when I'm editing the video, it's the beginning of July, and everything is full of life. If you have watched my previous videos, I talked about how I have a lot of plans this year that are waiting to be realized. The very first thing I did in April was to start painting new art pieces. Namely, I painted small wooden chests in medieval style. Before I start painting, I want to introduce you the new member of my medieval painting workshop. This is my new table, entirely made of wood by my father, and this is inspired by a Nürnberg illustration from 1473. But it's collapsible, and it's really cool because it's easy to transport, and I can take it to medieval festivals. But now let's go to paint. It was a very interesting process to paint them. The atmosphere of the painting brought me back to the world of the Middle Ages, and I learned a lot at the same time. I researched several creatures often depicted in the Middle Ages, and I learned about wonderful and mysterious legends. Some chests are inspired by the medieval bestiary of Aberdeen, which was made 700 years ago. It's so hard not to be inspired when we are left with so many legends and forgotten stories from the past. I'm sure you've heard of the phoenix or the basilisk. Have you ever talked about what inspired the medieval artists to paint these creatures, or what our ancestors talked about dogs, for example? So I painted these stories on the wooden chests, to bring back to life these legends. Sometimes I like to think about what kind of animal actually inspired the artist to paint the creature. Perhaps a strange wanderer told him about what he saw far away. An unexpected event gave birth to the wonderful creature in his mind. Or was it a description of an unknown animal creature? Sometimes it's good to think beyond everyday facts, and with the naivety of medieval people, to believe that the griffin bird guards its treasures in the great mountains, and the phoenix bird is truly reborn from its ashes somewhere in this big world. Another thing I did was put the finishing touches on the boxes to make them ready for hopefully moving to a new home in the future. I varnished the paintings and also designed information cards for each chest, so that its new owner will know the beast's story which is on the chest. But on the weekends, I needed my full concentration on something completely different. I sewed my new medieval kirtle. Since I sewed completely by hand, it took a lot of energy and a lot of time, but the end result was worth the work invested. When I wear it, I feel that I put my whole soul and heart into it. I feel like I'm wearing a real medieval dress from the past. And everything I've done so far was also important, because in May there was the first medieval festival in which I and my medieval painting workshop, the Trium Canum, participated. In a nearby small village, I introduced hundreds of people to the secrets of the medieval arts, paint and pigment making. It was great to meet so many interested people and talk about medieval arts. This event was where my wooden chests and my new dress also debuted. Summer is a busy time when it comes to historical reenactments, so since then I showed my medieval workshop on a few other places as well. I am very happy to finally be able to share this video with you. And what I want to say is that thank you very much for watching this video, and I am also grateful for the many kind and constructive comments that you have left under my videos. See you soon. Goodbye, wanderers!